In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the chat background on WhatsApp to give your conversations a personal touch. This simple customization can make your chats more visually appealing and uniquely yours. Let's get started. Open your WhatsApp app. Open any chat. Then, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, where you need to open the wallpaper option. Here, you have several styles to choose from for your desired wallpaper. I will open the bright wallpapers. A large number of available wallpapers will be displayed on the screen. Browse through them, find the one you like the most, and open it. A preview will be shown. If you're satisfied, click on the Set Wallpaper button. In the window that appears, you can choose whether to set this wallpaper only for this chat or for all chats in light theme. I want it only for this chat, so I will click OK right away. And here's what the changed wallpaper looks like. I'm pretty satisfied. If you're a fan of dark theme, repeat the process and choose a wallpaper from the dark theme. Here are the available dark wallpapers. Additionally, you can choose a color for your background or images from your gallery. And that's it. Your chat background is now updated, making your WhatsApp conversations more personalized and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.